company, focusing on the development, manufacturing, and sales of high-quality dental unit. Gladent has a research and development team and strong technical force. Relying on efficient production lines and strict quality control processes, Gladent has get FDA, CE, and ISO 13485 Medical Products Quality Control System certifications. Through serving our distributors, hospitals, and dentists, Gladent has quickly grown one famous brand in Chinese dental market and become a favorite choice of Chinese dentists. Gladent also sells well in many countries such as the United States, Western Europe, Russia, Middle East, and South of America in overseas dental markets, and is serving dentists in more than 90 countries around the world. With the vision of innovate constantly, pursue being outstanding, Gladent is committed to creating value for customers. The dream of Gladent is to become a famous international brand in the world. We work hard towards the dream at all time. We warmly welcome all of friends and customers to visit our factory. We are looking for reliable and long-term cooperation distributors. We believe that we are providing high-quality products, fast delivery time, best after-sales service for our customers. The stable quality and excellent craftsmanship help dealers win the competitive edge. Gladent will be your best choice partner.